This is the 7-inch 1080p high-definition rear-view monitor for AHD Backup Cameras, SKU 24522. This is our top-of-the-line 1080p monitor that will accept up to 4 cameras. Available in 3 sizes, 7, 9, and 10.5 inches, with an optional integrated DVR. That's right, it'll convert your system into a 4-camera dash camera. It works in extremely bright conditions and will have auto dimming for night vision. As always, these monitors are designed to pop on when you go in reverse or stay active while you're driving down the road. The harness also features triggers that will activate according to your blinkers. That means that you'll get the view you need when you need it. These features make the monitor perfect for security and surveillance when you're parked. Lastly, this heavy-duty monitor comes with multiple mounting options: a butterfly mount, a bracket to hang from your ceiling, and an in-dash trim for that custom look. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Just like our digital wireless version 3, these monitors also have 14 unique viewing modes. That means there is a type of view that'll work for anybody. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!